Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a little 6x6" canvas here, and I have some paint left over from one of the last pours that I did, and I'm going to do a little mini of it by just pouring some of the colors, what's left in here, out. Get a stir stick. These paints are mixed with glue all and water. 70% glue all, 30% water. They do have silicone in them. This is a self-mixed pink. I have a little bit of orange left. Spread that out on here. I hope I have enough to cover the whole surface. I think I do. Just get it out of here. Scrape these cups real well. That way I can wash them out. Use them again. This is a light purple. There's not very much of this left at all. Just a touch. But I'm going to swipe it with a Dioxazine Purple. So that'll bring out some nice purple color. And then some Naples Yellow. It's on the outside edge. Oh, that's pretty. Drizzle, drizzle. I'm just gonna move this around, cover the entire surface. I think I might use my balloon on this one too. That all to come down. This is a, I don't know if I said it or not, it's a 6" by 6" MDF board, and it is just primed with just a household primer sealer. Kind of neat pattern coming through here, with the yellow on the outside edge. I'm not real worried about how it looks because I'm going to swipe it. I just want to cover everything. Bring it down this side. Something in it right there. I don't think I can get that out with my fingers. I'll get a palette knife. Be able to lift that right up. Got a little blob. Touch it here. A little finger roll off the edge. Bring some of that purple back down to the center. This over here looks really pretty, the way it's mixing the Naples Yellow and the lightened purple. It's pretty neat. Touch my edges here. So now, I think I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this around in here as well as just a touch like that. Put it along the top. Get one of my, I got that messy just picking it up. This is just a plastic file divider. Looks like I got it a little wet. Make sure it's good and dry and clean. Set it down in here. Make sure I have good contact. Just very slowly pull it across the surface. Fix this here. Wipe that side off. I already see some cells popping up through, big orange cells. Very cool. And take my torch. Get some cells to develop there. So pretty. Just kind of giving it a look. Just something right here on the corner. Up here on this corner. Let it all kind of develop. I think I might paint the sides on this one with the Dioxazine Purple. That'll be really pretty. I have a balloon. And I'm just gonna see what happens. Oh wow, very pretty. That one has the purple and everything in it. Wow. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Don't want to do too much with it. It's going to grow just a little bit more. Take a brush, dab the edges on this. Make them all that dark purple. I think that'll look really nice. Well, everybody, thanks for joining me today. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Appreciate that. Like and share. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you learned something. Come back and visit me again. Thank you. Bye.